Hello everyone, welcome to this walkthrough on online advisory empanelment through the GIFT portal. In this video, I will guide you through the complete empanelment process, including the information you need to provide, the documents required, mandatory validation, and a few important points to remember before submitting your application. Let's get started. Open any web browser and visit the PPFA's GIFT website. Once you're on the home page, navigate to the distributor section. Click Empanel with Us, select Investment Advisor, and then click Apply Now. The Advisory Empanelment portal will open. The application process consists of 4 simple steps. Step 1. Basic details. Begin by entering your personal details. Enter your name exactly as it appears on your PAN card. Next, enter your PAN number and date of birth. Now fill in your registered address, including address line, country, state, city, PIN code. Enter your communication details, including mobile number and email address. Telephone number and fax are optional. Once you have entered your mobile number and email address, complete the OTP verification for both. After successful verification, click Save and Continue. Now step 2. Additional details. In this section, enter the required additional details. Next, certification type RIA. Please note an important point. Only a valid RIA certificate issued by SEBI is accepted for advisory empanelment. NISM or ARN certification alone is not accepted for this process. After completing the details, click Save and Continue. Step 3. Document upload. Now upload the required supporting documents. First, select your address proof type. Next, indicate whether you have GST registration, MSME certificate. If applicable, enter the certificate number and upload the corresponding document. Then upload all the mandatory documents as required by the portal. Once all documents have been uploaded successfully, click Save and Continue. Step 4 is Declaration and Agreement. Review the declaration carefully. Accept the terms and conditions by clicking the checkbox. Enter the digital signature date. Finally, click Submit Application. Once your application is submitted successfully, the system will generate a PG code with the initial starting PGA code. Please save this PGA code for your future reference and for tracking the status of your application. Your individual empanelment application has now been submitted successfully. Let's move on to non-individual empanelment. For individual advisors, you can skip this section and move to the timestamp mentioned for rejection details. Partnership form empanelment. If you are applying as a partnership firm, the application process is the same as the individual empanelment. The only additional requirement in additional details where you will need to enter the authorized signatory list, ASL details for each authorized partner, including the member name, PAN number and Aadhaar number. In the document upload section, upload all the mandatory documents along with the partnership agreement and ASL members' KYC documents. If GST or MSME registration is available, upload the respective certificates. The declaration and submission process remains the same and a PGA code will be generated after a successful submission. Let's move to LLP empanelment. For LLP empanelment, the application flow is also the same as the individual process. In additional details, enter the authorized signatory list, ASL details, including the member name, PAN number, and Aadhaar number for all authorized signatories. During document upload, upload all the mandatory documents along with the LLP deed and board resolution. The sample BR format is available for your reference. You can download it and upload the document in the same format. Complete the declaration, submit the application, and note the generated PGA code. Let's move to HUF empanelment. If you are applying under the HUF category, the application process is almost identical to the individual empanelment process. In additional details, select the appropriate certification type. Remember that only a valid RIE certificate issued by SEBI is accepted. In the document upload section, upload all the mandatory documents along with the HUF deed. After completing the declaration and submitting the application, a PGA code will be generated for future reference. Proprietorship empanelment. For proprietorship empanelment, the application process is the same as the individual process. The only difference is in the document upload step. Along with the standard mandatory documents, you will need to upload either a GST certificate or a bank statement which clearly mentions both the proprietorship firm's name and a proprietor's name as a proof of proprietorship. After uploading the documents, complete the declaration, submit the application, and save the generated PGA code. Now let's come to rejection process. If your empanelment application is rejected, you will receive a rejection mail on your registered email ID. The email will mention the reason for the rejection. Simply click on the correct and resubmit your application provided in the mail. Make the required correction and resubmit your application. Once the changes are made, your application will be processed again. Thank you.